Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have my Sterling Ink subscription, and I can't wait to open it with you guys. This one is going to be so pretty. I've seen some previews of it, and I just love her subscription. I will include a link down below. I'm not sure if my PR code still works, but it is still listed down there, so you can give that a try. And yeah, let's get into this one. Okay. Yay! Look at that. So pretty. If you guys want all the financial information and everything for this kit, I will have another unboxing video linked above for you guys. I'm short on time today, so I'm just gonna go for the opening. I love that we have white this month. And I love that she always customizes this paper to coordinate with whatever the kit is going to hold. So pretty. Okay, tissue paper out of the way. So these are my main set of stickers in here. And then this is mostly my vellum stuff. So let's do vellum first. I love that it's so well protected. Sometimes it arrives to me in not the best conditions, so like the packaging. But the things inside are always well protected for my mailman. So first we have our March vellum. This works great. This subscription is really made, I think, to go with her planner, but her planner is similar sized to a Hobonichi cousin, so they fit really nicely in here. Let's go to February. I just kind of have it laid out in here, but it's about the size of the paper, so you could easily just add it in or anything like that. I'm loving all of the florals. I love the little additions of this like pinky color. This looks like clover down here. I don't know most of the flower names, but they are absolutely gorgeous. So there's that. I'm going to use the white here because it makes it a little easier to see, I think. The white there, so I don't have any color bleed. And then we have our 2 sheets of full-sized vellum. So we have one with these Torin like picture elements that looks so gorgeous, and the printing quality on these sheets is amazing. So that is your first sheet, and then you have a more simplistic one with just some florals on it. I love having both. I love that she's kind of changed things up a little bit more this year, and you have more variety in your vellum sheets. So there's the vellum, and then along with those in that packaging, you do get a complete list of all the days for the month, which is really helpful sometimes. And then you also get your days of the week, and you get an entire month's worth or more here. So we have Monday through Sunday. Each column must be a Monday through Sunday, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And they are quite beautiful. And this paper just really blends in with any kind of paper under it. So it's almost seamless in your planners, and there's practically no bulk added to your planner from the stickers, which is really nice as well. Okay, so here is the meat of my order. So in here we have our smaller stickers usually, and our little card. So we have a nice planting one, great for March, which is I think what month this is going to be. Yes, March. Here's our tabs. I'm enjoying these immensely for my Hobonichi. So I don't know how well you can see them there, but there is January and February. I'm looking forward to adding March there. So we have that. Then we have this little freebie that has a nice floral sticker here. We have a torn element there, some other little things, some gardening tools, a little water spray bottle. We have our March scripts here, which are really, really gorgeous. Then we also have a sticker that has the March calendar, so if you wanted to add that to a page for planning purposes or something, you have that. I love the way this came together. And then you also have this, which is just her business card, but these, I love using them in other ways as well, and just the ability to have that. And she has such a nice card. I mean, these were great for like bookmarks, or just sometimes I just put them on my desk because they're so pretty. So there's that. And then in addition to that, we have all of these. So the large ones here, whoops, these two are identical, and these are your washi strips, or what would normally be your washi strips. So you usually have one that's really long and goes the entire width of the bottom of your page. And then what she started doing is doing these smaller clusters that have a edge to them, so you can kind of create your own washi strip at the bottom or the side, or say you want to mark something in the middle of your month or anything like that. That is what this is for. This is foiled, so you have little splatterings of foil through it. It is silver this month, which is super pretty. I am so loving those pops of color with the clover, and this is just gorgeous. So there's your washi strips. Then we have, I think she calls this the large kind of floral elements. So you have a scene up here, and then you just have lots of other little clusters that you can also pull in and use in various ways. Then we have some large florals here. These can be used in addition or for other things. Maybe you want to accent or something. Then we have some scenes here. I love her scenes. They just work really well. Let me give you an example here. Hold on. Gotta find the right page, right? Here's February from my planner. And you see how beautifully her scenes just kind of blend in? It is amazing. So there's another scene. Then we have kind of some smaller elements here. We have some clusters and individual elements all foiled, and some smaller scenes in here. This torn paper with the flower on top. It almost has a burned edge down here to it, which is kind of that nice antique-y feel. Then we have some more like corner elements. This has a division line down the middle, actually. Let me see, do I have my tweezers should be near. And I should be able to just lift this up a little bit so you can see, and you can see how delicate this paper is. It can be a challenge sometimes. You just have to be really careful. And you can see that line goes all the way down the middle. You can also place it together like this if you wanted to, but it works really great in the middle of your page if you're doing something that goes over both pages for a spread. And then we have some smaller elements to kind of incorporate throughout your spread and add little bling here and there, as well as date dots. These are more uniform this year, and they're just small square dates. They work pretty universally for everything and are really nice. So that's everything that's in the subscription this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.